Euro pound is bouncing from the levels we wanted. So what should happen right now is possible one more bottom for a divergence, and then bigger rally taking place, or alternative would be we got a wave correction in double moves as we wanted the best. We got a move. So what could happen now is kind of range forming, and then break, and then sudden strong rally taking place. Pay attention to this trend line. Break above should be a good confirmation for a call, while the last low will be respected. I expect later or sooner for this pair we are going back to daily 20 EMA, then the opposite band of the Bollinger's. It's going to take time, but I think every good drop we have with a bullish divergence is opportunity to buy and to start collecting.